Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share a super special project with you. This is a very special Halloween project. It's a shadow box. It's a custom made shadow box by me. I'm going to walk you through it, show you how to do it. It's completely made out of cardstock and chipboard. It's called Open If You Dare. There it is. It's full 12 by 12 and 12 by 6 in size. When you open it, it opens up to a 12 by 12 inch shadow box. So that's your cover, and there's all the beautiful embellishments on your cover, and it opens up like this, my friends. Check this out, how beautiful this is. I'm so excited about this project. I love all the shadow boxes out there. I love everything about them, and I figured I'd just put one together myself. And that's what I did, and that's what I'm sharing with you all here. There's tons of movements, lots of mixed medias here. We have tons of texture and dimension going on here. Check out the super fab haystack right here. How cute is that mini haystack with these lovely resin pumpkins right there? Look at the witch's broom, the skull, the poison bottle, my friends. Gorgeous. Check out this fabulous chandelier that's suspended right here from this chain. Your crow, some more metal embellishments for your pleasure, and check out this super fab key. It's already glued in there, so I can't pull it out to show you. Look at the skeleton in the coffin right here. I hope you guys can see that it's lined with ribbon to resemble a coffin, which I absolutely love. So check it out. There's a quick close-up of everything. I want to point out the sturdiness in this project. Listen to this, my friends. That's what you're going to get. A custom shadow box completely made by you with cardstock and chipboard and some hot glue, baby. Some hot glue. This is Kathy. Thank you for checking me out. Bye-bye.